Well, hello everyone. So, I'm going to start today by basically designing some new characters for my game. Uh, right now, I was thinking of designing only 3 and see where it goes. Let me just lower the sound a bit. Okay, and let me raise the music a bit. That should be fine. So the first one, this will be kind of an, not really a commander, but basically one of the bad guys that will start as basically a roped figure that you can determine, and eventually he will reveal himself, but that's a long way to go. So for that, I could just leave as is with the template and just say to separate the layers, because for now I don't have an exact design for him. That will change eventually. Vault and layer. Let me just do something. I need to copy this and just say, for now I'm going to remove the layers, and then if needed I'll copy them over again. So I'm going to here, paste here, and export. Right. So now if I go into here, I have Hogan, and I can just say import sprites and then drag them over one by one. So let me see, this is the head, this is the legs, feet, and the torso. Wait a minute, not what I wanted to do. Reset. Set these ones. I scrolled way too low. So his feet, legs, torso. Now it's fine. So the hair is the only part missing, that's fine. I need to create a new sprite sheet. Going to here. I need to add an actual item in here. Just need to say normal. And eventually can take care of the rest. Oh, gave an error. Oh, I know why. Let me just drag this off screen for a bit. Need to go into all of these and say multiple. Not mistaken, this is 16, but let me check. Save. What does it say here? 64. Okay, fair enough. Hogan. All of these, it's 64. Going to here apply. To go. Okay, it's multiple. No compression. Filter mode is point filter. That's fine. Now in here, 64 by 64. No, this is a 48 by 48. Okay, apply. Same here. Apply. And just continue doing it for all of them. Slice and apply. And now if I go into here and say import, now it should be, yeah, for the others it just doesn't do anything. Yeah, so 9 down here. Can say to delete all of these, and for now only have the overworld, and I'll take care of it later on. Here I can finally delete this, save him, and it should be fine now. Now what I want to do is the robe to basically hide him in appearance wise. So for that, let's go. I'm going to go in the other screen, copy one of the items, equipment. What do I want to copy? Maybe I think any of them is fine. Yeah. Let's copy this and let's call it a rope. And this is kind of unisex, so you just copy this to the main folder. So since it's kind of unisex and basically the sprites are more or less the same design, you can just say this to be called a robe, open it, and in here, let me say, so for example, this is the model. Let me change the model to this, make it easier to design. This, let's delete everything except torso and head. This, the rope. In a way, it covers everything. So let me grab some black colors like this, and basically just design it like this. The record, I'm not the best designer per se. So here, just do this. This will be for the torso, and for the head I'm going to basically create a hood. Okay. It should be good as a general design. Let me in here. Shortcuts aren't working. Okay. Let me see if I can. What was it called? I think it's preferences, extensions, and then it's pretty 14. Yep, yeah, there's something like shortcuts. Cursors guides, experimental. No, not here. Okay. Keyboard shortcuts, there it is. Modifiers, mouse wheel, tools. For some reason, it's not importing the thing. Change brush, change frame, changing capacity. Might be these ones. So, HSL lightness, saturation. Hue, saturation. I'm going to need to eventually read the documentation again. kinda lost. This general outline. Okay. So you can like put a separation line here to make it more clear that you're nah. Let's leave it as is. Going to increase this a bit more. Needs a bit more. Yeah. I mean, that looks well. Not gonna lie. Now we can just grab this. Let's say like this. Okay, something ain't right. And for some reason I'm editing the head. Okay. Now it should be fine. So, going to here. And Shift H. Yeah. Now it's on the other side. And we can kinda grab this. And then base a bit around it. Oh, forgot to add this. Now it looks better. So we're going to here and do exactly the same. Yes. Okay, now let's do the contours again. Okay. Nice and easy. I also need to check something. I most likely didn't change the things on Twitch. Let me just check. Stream manager. Nope, that's alright. Okay. Let me go to here. See if the bot is running well. Yeah. Seems like it found the YouTube channel as well, so I can continue. Okay. Just need a bit of contour. Here and then just color over it, and yeah, that seems fine. And now, most likely if I grab this, it's almost compatible with the one on the lower layer. But might as well draw it by hand again, just in case. So I can at least copy this, shift 2 layers down, and that gives almost a direct line match here. So if I do this, this. This. Seems good. Yeah. Now grab this. Control C, Control V, Shift H. Copy to here. Looks perfect. Now going to here. Side part is going to be the most annoying to draw, if I'm not mistaken. Here it's basically parallel to both sides. They're symmetrical, so essentially doing the same thing repeatedly. Now here just zoom out a bit. Easier to draw like this. Okay, and now just cover it, and we're good. Now, how do I want to do this? I can more or less reuse this. Shift up, horizontal, and more or less just this. It's gonna be a bit of a pain to replicate, but could be worse. Okay, do it like this. Here can essentially do this. No, should be like this. And then like this. Here I forgot this. And first span of the stream. You, my sir, we are going to get banned. No bots here, please. Okay, moving on. Design this. Going to just do something like this. I mean, it's not bad per se. Here. Okay. Copy this. Might be a bit too big on this side. Let's just do it like this. And on this one, it's a bit too much. Okay. Let's do it like this. follow the line, it should end up here. And up here. Down here, and yeah, that's mostly right. Do this. Should most likely like this. Not too bad. Now the same over here. Can just do like this. Wrap it up and this would be this. It's not easy, and the position is a bit weird. I got the shading here. Now it should be fine. Yeah, that looks quite good. And now let's try to draw the head part. That's going to be the most difficult part. Let's see. Can just say let's show a bit of the eyes around here. So to try to decide how I'm going to draw the inside. So for example, the outside could be something like going around here. Basically follow these lines here. Copy like this. Wait. Starting to use the wrong line. So Y like this. Yeah. I'll just grab like this. And the outside, let's do something like this, at least for now. Starting to reach the Y limit. Just what I want to do. Basically, you have to do it more or less like this. Now we have sort of a guideline of what I want to do. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Essentially, let's hope this works. it's gaining some shape, but might not be what I want. Just delete this for now, and over this one line, yeah. Okay, in here it's not circular, so essentially save this to 1, and this, yeah, looks tiny bit better. We just do like that, kind of hide the mistake. Now cover it. I can just say this here. Because otherwise that's a big forehead. And even still, it's quite not there. Okay, let's do it like this. Just paint over this part. I mean, looks a bit better. No. Now, if I, for example... Okay, that's better. Now, just fill in this part. And that's a lot better. Yeah. Kinda looks like the Grim Reaper, but yeah, maybe could be a future design. Right here. See, I'm missing one. That side looks good. Yeah. Now, example 1, 2, essentially say till here. We are essentially going to hide the face a bit more. A bit too much. Yeah. And then this side. Doesn't look too bad. Maybe a smidge more. So just tiny bit. Okay. Let me just do something. I'm going to screenshot this. It's done. Now this. Yeah. Kinda fits properly. Yeah. Okay, that's perfect. And I think I can just add a bit of a line here. For example, let me see. I add something like this. Doesn't seem equal on both sides. And yeah, doesn't look that great. I'm gonna keep it as is. Okay. So if I turn off the model, I can more or less see why I did this. So I can just eventually copy the color codes, make my job easier. Alright, let's re-enable this. I'm going to start with the bottom ones now, and they are all the same. So I can just copy one, and then edit and copy and paste again. So here, let's say around here. So, yeah. Here we are going to basically cover it like this. Okay, then do it like this, and just this, and just kinda there. Just maybe a bit more here. So 1, 2, 3. 1 to 3. So 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2. Let's do it slowly, not towards the end. See how it looks. Yeah. Drag it at least. Let's slowly do this until it's more round, like. Looks a tiny bit better. Just here. Yeah, we'll be like this. Okay. Now comes the hard part. I mean, not really hard, but let's see. So it like this. Just say around here. And do it more or less like this. Just like this. Hey Takari, thank you for the follow. Currently I'm trying to get a good design for a robe. Around the end of the year. I'm not sure the exact date, but it's around maybe or December or January next year. But yeah. I think let me check when Manifest V3 is going to come out. One of the browsers that I've been advised because of ad blockers is, I think, Brave. It was Brave and I think Opera GX. They have some sort of ad blocking system, I think. I think Linus Tech Tips did a video regarding that. Not sure if it's still up because the part 2 was basically de-Googlify yourself and part 2 got taken down. So yeah, I think that was the part that had the YouTube ad blocking. But yeah, Manifest V3 is going to come out. So about Manifest V3. Okay, trying to see if I can find when it's coming. But so far I don't see an exact date. It says it started in June with the notifications about deprecation and words. They say they are going to deprecate the policy next year, June 2025. Oh, hey Bloodscar, welcome in. I'm currently designing a sort of mysterious robe for some characters. And yeah, was just looking over Manifest V3 for Chrome. When is it coming? Apparently it's June 2025. So yeah. Now continue with this. I think I'm already doing it wrong. So from here, let's do it like this. And then do it like this. And it should be almost... something still feels off. Let me just... this. Let me go one lower and... yeah, I should... It's not easy to draw some sort of rope. Okay, now grab this. Just check something. Okay. So, do this. Grab it like this. Oh, was already messing it up. So This goes into here. It outlines this part. So we can then cover it up. Okay. And something still feels off. Let me make this part longer. Okay. So something like this. Okay. My log looks too long. God damn it. Here, maybe increase this by 1. I don't see an exact way to do this. Yeah. Just basically give up on this part. And say it's more or less hidden on the other side. Yeah. Might have to be what I do. Okay. Something still feels off about it. Let me reduce 1 here. Maybe 2. Bring this here. Here maybe this. Kinda better, but still feels off. Okay. Okay. Take this part off. Fill in this. Something feels totally off, but that's the best I can do at the moment. To be fair, the characters are mostly going to be seen front facing, so yeah. Okay, let me go into here. The model can be shown. Scripts, GASP, export layers, and like this, save sprite. Now if I go into here, equipment, here, okay, there it is. Can delete this one. And grab it like this, multiple, 64, Y, okay, slice 48 by 48, that's alright, 48 by 48, okay, now comes the rest. Would and just call it rope. I go down here. Okay, so equipment, equip, no sprite for now. Maybe rope, let's go ahead, 0 or 1, translation. Let me go into my Google Sheet. Set tickets items, yeah. So 66 and 67. Good. Rope. Just in case. Description ID -1, that's right. Just put it to this side and let's grab this, copy, paste, and it would be everything. Equipment slot is head. Yeah, that's fine. And now the next one, 67. Equipment, equip, group icon, group underscore or so. Let's put this one for now. Chest. Go to here. Copy this. Go to here. Copy. Paste. Okay. Now comes a different part. I need to go into the intro level, which is Lion Den. Need to go to the map. Here's Amalon. Now if I go to here, copy him like this. Let's say this is Hogan. For now, just put the NPC. Oh, there it is. Let's put this one and say character ID. What is Hogan's ID? It's this one. Okay. Yeah, this is. Reset that and say robe. Good. Character, etc., etc. Okay. Go to save it in my data screen. I'm going to just go into here and say going to here. Item library. There should be update list button. Okay. They are here. It's fine. And basically I'd say play test, see if the sprites are loaded incorrectly, and just test. Let me see something here. Does it load properly the list? Yeah. Okay. This one here. I don't want to do anything right now. Yeah. That's right. Good. Okay. These two are for research for later on, so as a reminder, they aren't committed. And let's just go into here. Let me start a new game. Faster to get to Lion Den from here. Okay. Now, go to the scene. Yeah. Let me just get through the dialogue. Okay, now I should. Huh. Didn't load. So something went wrong. Oh. No, that's weird. Okay. So head sprite. Try get sprite for gender. Out head sprite. Yeah. And then headgear, head sprite to texture. Why the hell isn't it working? Oh, that's weird. Did I equip it right? Okay, equipment, equip. Head. That's a special item. It's ID 74. Let me go into here. Should be working fine. Let me open Hogan and check. Sprites, no, stats, equipment. It has the robe equipped. What the hell? For the sake of it, let me do like this and save. Gonna need to go into here. Let's see. This is in the character, so charguit. Just say this. Pass this into it. Attach to Unity editor. And see what's wrong. So most likely this was me goofing off with something. Let me see. So go to here. And I'm going to select new game. Yeah. So now, yeah, stop me. So sprites is null, obviously. Try get value from index. Okay. So it returns current sprite sheet. No, it returns the sprite sheet. Basically overriding the first one. We'll do a split texture as usual. Torso, it has one. Let me just check. Something in the equip isn't right, which is a bit weird. Okay. First off, let me go into here, stop this, and say if sprite.hair equal null. Sometimes it might not have any hair, so it would render incorrectly. Yeah. Okay. And now let me go check the NPC script, because that's quite weird. Go into here, grab him, NPC. When I update the sprite initially. Sorry, I need to change sprite. No. Okay, history NPC, no. Reinitialize character. Okay, get character by grid. Let me see how the start initially is. Initialize sprite character. Close.any. Okay. If my arguit okay, well, why my arguit is equal to this? I want you to stop me. And then in here, same thing. Arguit equal this. Okay, etc. Want to see where exactly it's not loading loading the equipment right. So going to here. I'm really confused why it's breaking. We just do this. Okay. Right. So I have two items. Go to here. What's the first item? Okay. Crap. Not what I wanted to do. Okay. Robe hood. Good items. Okay. So it generates like that. And reloads the sprite. Okay. It has two. The hell? Okay, it looks pretty small, but it worked. Why did it work? I didn't do any changes. How the hell? Okay, now without the breakpoints, what does it do? Because now I'm totally confused. Okay, we're going to here. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm even more confused. Let's say no use fighting it at this point. It's just weird. Okay, now to fix his size. Because for example for Amalon I don't do the same type of generation. That's why the size is correct. Oh no, I actually do. So something went wrong there. Sort of thing with dimensions of the sprite. Let me go check in Armor how I'm doing in terms of proportions. Like for example, this one. No, this one. Okay, it's a 1-1. And I put it as a knob. Okay. That's even weirder. Okay, so let's set this as a knob. Say 1-1. Let me put him like behind. Now see what happens. Spring single. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's much better. For some reason it didn't render the head. That's even funnier. Oh, I know why. Freaking thing doesn't know how to render with alpha transparency. That's why it's failing. Okay, that's hilarious. That's it for now. I'll leave it as is. It's funnier like this. Okay, I'm going to take my medication and eat something. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Uh, right now I was planning on essentially making it so Hogan stays hidden until a certain point and basically ending it there because I kinda a bit sick, as can be a bit noticed, and I have work tomorrow, so yeah, need a bit of rest after this. So let me go to London. Let me see, which is the story NPC? So, this does nothing, it should be this then. Yeah. There's a collider. And if I go into here and specify... So, I can just say serialize field, private, an object, Hogan, and there should be a to-do or something around here. And after this, add Hogan. Okay, it's here. Hogan chart good. It doesn't have anything. I'll have to add that. Hogan.set active crew. In here, add this. Okay. And I can just say for this to be maybe instead of the object itself, I can say sprite renderer to be turned off and we then turn it on. It'd be better this way. Get component, sprite renderer, enabled equal true. Okay. And in here I can say turn it off again, because Hogan will basically fade away. And everything should magically work now. Let's hope so. So, put it to play. Say I want a new game. Can skip the dialogue eventually. Okay. Let me try skip dialogue. Okay. No issues. Okay, that's a different thing I have to fix. Okay. For some reason this isn't properly working. Might have to do with the way I changed the fight system to basically overlay the map instead of switching the scene, so might be that. Where's Hogan? It happened. So now I'm confused. Yeah, story events basically it's missing. Oh. Okay, might be the way I'm handling everything. Let's do it like this. I'm going to save on this one. I'm going to go back to the title screen. And new game. Not new game. I'm going through here. Okay, continue. Grab this one. Oh god, yeah. There's a lot of bugs That might change cost. Okay, let's just say for now I'm going to commit everything. So I'm showing this fine. For some reason it's adding that. Okay. So we change everything here. Yeah, we change that to that. Change the constants. Yeah. Edit Hogan real story. Well, this doesn't exactly have the ticket associated, so it's going just like this. Hit and push. Okay, it should be committing, and now it's going to push. Right. If I refresh, only those two items will stay here. Or it just ignored me and went away and pushed those items. Let me see. I'm almost certain that's what it did. Yeah. Okay, fair enough. Let it be like that. Okay. I'd say that's enough for today. I'm going to see who I'm going to raid. And yeah, that will be it for today. I'll see you guys soon.